Will you look at this gorgeous hair?
You really are a miracle worker.
It's those new Dove hair care products I was telling you about.
Dove Intensive Repair with Fiber Actives helps reconstruct your hair from the inside and makes it more beautiful on the outside.
It certainly has made a difference. Your hair is so much healthier looking now.
Well, it's definitely one of my new favorite things.
Leah, we'll need you in 5.
It's showtime.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. These are a few of my favorite things. Cream-colored ponies and crisp apple strudels, doorbells and sleigh bells and schnitzel with noodles, wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses with blue satin sashes, snowflakes that stay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. These are a few of my favorite things. When the dog bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
Hey, Leah, are you coming?
Okay, I'm just gonna grab one thing.